Hello, this is Mrs. Halbig here, one of the math specialists at Franklin Public Schools, and I'm going to show you how to do a counting collection. I have a bag here with some colored chips from a popular game that my family has been playing at home, and we were wondering how many colored chips are inside this bag. So in order to find out, we're going to have to count them. The first thing that I always do with a counting collection is I dump it out in front of myself, I take a look at it, and I make an estimate. So I look at what I have in front of me and I say, how many do I think are in this collection? So I'm looking at it and I'm going to say, I think that there are about 50 chips inside this collection. So now that I have my estimate, I'm going to count and see what I come up with. So let's see, how am I going to count this? Well, I can count it by ones. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wait, did I already count that one? I can't remember. Oh, there's got to be a better way to do this. What do you think? Is there a way that I can count this collection? I'm thinking that maybe I can put it in groups, some groups that are easier for me to count by. So I'm thinking, I know how to count by tens, so maybe I'll put them in groups of 10. Let's see what that would look like. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, well, there is a group of 10. I have one group of 10 right there. So that's 10. Let's see if I can make another group of 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's another group of 10. So I have two groups of 10, or 10, 20. 20 chips so far. I think I can make another group of 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I made another group of 10. I have 1, 2, 3 groups of 10, or 10, 20, 30. I think I can make another group of 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I have another group of 10. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10, or 10, 20, 30, 40. I don't have enough to make another group of 10. So I'm going to leave these counters or chips over here. And this is my collection. So let's count and see how many chips I had in my collection. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. I have 42 blue chips in my counting collection. Another thing I can do is I can record that on a sheet of paper. So I'm going to get a sheet of paper here and draw what I did. So I had over here a group of 10 of my chips. Underneath it, I had another group of 10 chips. Over here, I made another group of 10 chips. And underneath that, I was able to make another group. That was my 4 groups of 10 blue chips. And I still had 2 chips over here that I wasn't able to use to make a group of 10. I could even write a number sentence underneath this. If I put these 2 groups of 10 together, that gives me 20. Then I had another 2 groups of 10. That's another 20. I had those 2 chips that I couldn't make a group of 10 with, so I'm going to add another 2. That is my 42 chips in my counting collection. When I first started, I guessed that there were 50 chips in my collection. Do you think that 50 was a good guess, seeing as how I had 42 in my collection? I think those numbers are pretty close together. What do you think? This is a really fun activity that you can do at home. Why don't you go looking around your house and see what you have collections of? Maybe you have some coins at your house. Maybe you have some Legos at your house. Maybe you have a snack you're eating, like fishies, and you can count your fishies that you're eating. Counting collections are a lot of fun, and they have a lot of possibilities for what you can count. So look around your house and see what you might be able to count. Have fun.